Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, Ben from Appliance Factory here again. We're going to talk to you today about a really cool product from Dacor, which is a luxury line that specializes in cooking out of California. So what's really cool about these models is all of them have 6 burners. So from 36 to 48 inches, you're going to get 6 burners on every one, more cooking space available. They all come with a wok ring and a griddle attachment. And you see they've got the 6 burners there. Now what's really cool is all of these actually come with brass or black burner caps. So the black ones are for actually cooking, the brass are for display. So really beautiful there, gives you a little bit of a showpiece on the oven. Now the faceplate pops out so you can see it better. And on the inside of the oven here, it actually has a filtered convection fan so you avoid cross-contamination from tastes and smells of the things you might be cooking. It has easy glide roller racks. And it also has what they call the rain gutter here, which if you've ever had an oven where the grease drips on the inside of the glass and you can't get it out, this one actually drips around the outside and back into the oven to keep it clean. And now, the best thing about the Dacor ovens that we have right now is they're actually much easier to get. You can actually back order these and have it in stock in about a week. So, hopefully that helps when selecting a new oven. Until next time, my name's Ben. Make sure to like the channel, subscribe, and leave a comment with questions. And until then, let's get cooking.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.